Welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how we fixed some of the electronic gadgets which came to our shop. Ndiye ili mmanja mwangamu ndi phone Hisense EU63 imene inali ndi vuto la kusachaja. Komano lero sindikuonesani za phone imeneyi koma ndikuonesani zinthu zina. Before that ndikuoneseni kuti ndi multimeter imene timagwisa ntchito kupanga troubleshoot ma components ang'ono amene awonongeka pa board. Letiye tipite mu video yathu ya lero. Ndimene ndinayambira kupanga fix JVC Twitter speaker imene imayendera network kupanga connect ku subwoofer. This is how we worked. So my fellow technicians, check this out. Take your time, troubleshoot very carefully, and try as much as possible to your level best to satisfy the needs of your customer. The mene mugoneramu ife titayipanga ndikusintha zinthu zingavo inapezeka kuti JVC Twitter ija yayaka ili bwinobwino ndipo ikugwira ntchito ili muchimake. Ndikufotokozerani zinthu zingapo zimene zimakhala kuti zafoira kanthu ngati kamene kaka. Ndi nthawi zambiri maaisa amene wawa amafunika azilandira moto. Komano pali nthawi zina amasiya kulandira moto chifukwa choti ma components ting'ono ma capacitor transistors timakhala kuti tafoira pamenepo. Use your multimeter and test them. If they are shorting, replace them, then you are good to go, my fellow technicians. As you can see, it is working perfectly. The next, my fellow technicians, check this out. My fellow technicians, this is our job that we like to do and we are proud of it. We do it at our level best, my fellow technicians. So this is a high quality JVC Twitter speaker which is connected to a sound bar through a network connection system, my fellow technicians. So check this out. So this is how I worked. I soldered it very nice and very smart, very clean, my fellow technicians. So after soldering it, I tested it once more to see if it is working perfectly. As you can see, my fellow technicians, I powered it on. So I powered it on and it worked perfectly. Chitamaliza kupanga replace ma components amene amapanga shorting tinayesa and kuyasa amene muonera my fellow technicians. So we tested it and it worked perfectly, my fellow technicians. So whenever you are to work with these devices, my fellow technicians, make sure you take your time, you troubleshoot using your multimeter. Make sure you check components such as diodes, capacitors, and many more, my fellow technicians. Some of the boards like these ones comes with Zener diodes, so Zener diodes also needs a proper measurement before you continue working with them. My customer who brought this said they have tried to fix this before to other technicians, but they failed it, my fellow technicians, due to poor troubleshooting, my fellow technicians. So tiyeni tione apatabwezeresa chilichonse chili mchimake ndithu wa JVC speaker yathu tayibwezeresa kuti customer atha kuzayitenga ndikukalumikiza ku sound bar ndikuyamba kumvera nyimbo omwaka titi. So after everything is clean. Now I have finished, guys. It's time kuti ndibwezerese zinthuzi zikhale mchimake sound bar izipita kwa customer wanga. Pimene mukuonera tamaliza kubwezeresa tukuyasa ikuyaka bwinobwino chilichonse chikugwira ntchito za popo zija. The next thing for me to do is fixing phone ija, phone ya Hisense EU963. Ndikamaliza phone imene ndi pangaso fix plasma imene mukuiona ili pa table hii imene inangotima sima yakaso. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Ndimakukondani. I love you. Follow me and see you in my next video. Bye.